Fastlane drive, we don't wait in line. Wealth in motion, multiply and climb. No more grind, let the systems grow. The Coopers rise, now it's time to go.
All right, Sandy, you say we can build a Fastlane business in 30 days? How? Yeah, what do I even do first? Simple. Follow the 30-day Fastlane challenge. Step 1. Choose your Fastlane business model. Option 1, digital products, ebooks, online courses, memberships. Option 2, content-based business, YouTube, social media, automated info products. Option 3, automated wealth strategies, AI trading, passive income, compound growth. Wait, I just choose one? That's it? Yep, no overthinking, just start.
I like this. Straight to the point.
Step 2, 30-day business launch plan. Week 1, research and setup. Identify a niche and create a basic plan. Week 2, build the business. Start producing content, setting up sales funnels or investing. Week 3, automate and scale. Set up passive income streams, ads, email lists, compounding strategies. Week 4, launch and optimize. Start driving traffic and refining the business model. Wait, it's literally a checklist? Yep, no need to reinvent the wheel.
And you thought getting rich was complicated.
So all I have to do is follow these steps, and in 30 days, I'll have a real business? That's right, and you watching, you're in this challenge too.
Day 1 starts right now.
Inspired by the Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. Special thanks to my brother-in-law for motivating me to create this series.
Fastlane drive, we don't wait in line. Wealth in motion, multiply and climb. No more grind, let the systems grow. The Coopers rise, now it's time to go. I see numbers flip, turn dollars to a fleet. Assets stacking while they sleeping in defeat. Candy swipes, but I'm building up my lane. Passive streams, now I'm never working late. I used to chase trends, spending every dime. But Sandy showed me wealth is built in time. Now what you earn, but how you let it grow. Now I play smart, watch my empire grow. Money ain't just cash, it's the path you choose. Playing smart, learn the game, never lose. Systems running, cash flow never late. Wealth ain't luck, it's the rules we make. Fastlane moves, let the numbers climb. Break the chains, turn your grind and shine. Smart money, big dreams, no rewind. The Coopers leveled up, yeah, it's our time.